Welcome to my channel Love for Birds. Please feel free and subscribe my YouTube channel. Facts about budgies. Budgies are extremely social birds and thrive on companionship. Budgies can live 7 to 15 years in captivity. Due to their petite size and brightly colored feathers, budgies make lovely pets. Budgies can have up to 3,000 feathers in total covering their whole body. Budgies have an incredibly rapid pulse rate of more than 300 beats per minute. Budgies are capable of seeing ultraviolet rays. Having poor night vision, they seem more afraid of sounds and motion in the darkness. Budgies have powerful beak used for shredding food, climbing and exploring. Highly vocal creatures having wide range of chirps, tweets and squawks. They enjoy playing with simple toys and are curious about their surroundings.